In this video, I will show you exactly step by step how to create high converting winning ads completely with AI. And the tools that I'm about to show you is just mind blowing. It looks so real that you don't even think it's AI, right? So you're gonna need to have two tools. One is Starpop, the other one is Claude. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So the two tools that I'll be using is Claude and Starpop AI. I'll be putting links for both of the tools down below. In Claude, we have made multiple AI researches for ourselves inside the project, so you need to have the paid version. I would highly recommend you to do the same thing, or just have a document that you can constantly copy. If you need a base prompt or anything, just drop a comment down below, or join my free school community where I have the prompts in there as well. But so what we're usually using is the identity hooking system GPT, Desire AI, as well as Viral Real GPT, as well as the winning avatar. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna do the Desire AI researcher, open that one up, and then what I'm also gonna do is take Huygens to use as an example. Why Huygens? It's just because they have so much information on their website, as well as like I think it's the fastest growing supplement brand ever. They just recently reached 300 million, I think, ARR. So that's generally crazy, right? But so what you should do with your brand, super simple. You go ahead and you take the website URL, you plug it into the Desire GPT. This is the full prompt. It's basically, you're a specialized market researcher, analyst with expertise in consumer psychology, desired-based marketing in the United States. Your task is to conduct comprehensive research on a specific product to uncover the mass desire that I can leverage for advertising campaigns. The reason why we're going behind a mass desire and just desires in general is because it's the biggest moving needle for people to buy, right? It's not just, oh, here's my product is way better than other products. No, it's a mass desire. And so if you just look at Huygens in general, their positioning is completely towards having nutrition, right? Because it's green gummies. They made a new mechanism. Instead of the nasty green juices like AG1, they just made gummies out of it, which is just way easier, supports your gut, your mind and mood. So it's basically the biggest desire is just living healthy, living longer, longevity, right? As well as right now they're pivoting towards kids. So that's also a big one that they will use. So this full prompt, if you want to just let me know, I'll send it over. And then here inside the prompt, you basically provide your product URL. So I paste that in here. Obviously, this is also the base prompt of this one with some extra documents. So what I'm gonna do, or what you should do after you've used the prompt, is basically you're gonna copy your website URL. And you're gonna just plug it in here, and you're gonna say, do research on this company, or this product is a better one. You paste it in, and give me 10 video ideas in spoken language that that match the mass desire. Videos should be around 12 seconds, or a great tool to see what or how many seconds a video has is Vidyard. They have a script timer. So what you do is just word count. I think it's like 1,000. No, 100 is, so what is it, like 25, so 30, 35 words basically, or 35 words. And then what you do is that you basically take the research. What this will do is it will basically scrape the internet and just get way more insight. So as you can see, I'm just launching it. You'll see it as well here. With the research, you can use ChatGPT. In our opinion, and just based on a lot of testing, Claude is way better than ChatGPT in writing, researching, everything, right? So what I'm just gonna do is like, just do the research. The thing is, here they always ask us extra questions because we use it for clients. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm using Huygens. But so as you can see here, is doing the deep research of Huygens to uncover the mass desires that can drive your video content. So it is setting the stage for discovery, and what it will do now is literally scrape the internet, scrape the website and everything. You can even have it shorter, right? So with the same prompt, if you don't have the paid version, because I don't think the free version can do research, right? So what you can do is you can use the same base prompt, and instead of doing deep research, you can just do research, you plug it in, and it will do research. It will be a bit faster. Obviously, with deep research, you get way more extensive findings, stuff because it's just way deeper. As you can see here, it created a whole research plan, like specific data points. It is customer quotes. It goes super, super deep, right? But so as you can see here, failed to fetch, which is crazy. But as you can see here, a lot of extra stuff in there. Step 1, so green powder sucks digesting taste. So basically, as you can see, more insights from Reddit. And here, it's just a way faster improvement. If you want to have a more deeper source, use the AI deep research function of Claude, because here 21 sources, 7 sources and counting, right? It will take its time to really do all the nurturing, do all the research, etc. But so that is important. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to shop adult, which is basically the same. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna try and find a product image. So you copy the image and we're gonna use it inside of, or even better is basically you save the image, right? Voila. And we're gonna plug it into Starpop AI. Starpop AI is a tool that we use for everything nowadays. The UGC creations is just mind-blowing. You'll see it in a second as well. But so here they have a lot of templates. They're working on extra templates. But so what we're gonna do is basically, you can use a template or you can use just a prompt yourself, right? But so for example, with this template, I'm just gonna select this one. Voila, as you can see, it already has a template, so a prompt. UGC style, simple, authentic talking head video, no caption or overlays, interior kitchen shot below eye level, young Latina woman, morning sun. And so what you do is you basically upload your product inside of here, mono kitchen, hook, and then cut, as you can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until the research is done. Then we're gonna take that video or that hook and script, and we're gonna plug it into Starpop AI. Starpop AI is a tool that we use. If you wanna have a discount, they are currently doing a discount specifically for this channel alone. So that's in the description. I'm not getting any affiliate commissions or anything. I just wanna make sure that you guys have the best tools out there. They're kind enough to give you a 30% discount. I would say use it. Right? As you can see, just based on that base prompt alone, not even deep research, the first or the not deep research, Claude already came up with a lot of stuff, right? Movements are normal for the first time in 15 years. So comfort, desires, control desires, for example, health. So a lot of basically new desires, new stuff that we can use, right? It even ranks it of like the scope, the urgency, etc. So a lot of stuff in here. So the gag reflex, I used to dread my greens. That chalky grass clipping taste made me gag every morning. Now I actually look forward to them. They taste like the fruit snacks I loved as a kid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna check which script is actually the best, right? So this one might be interesting. Obviously it's 12 seconds, it's not the longest, but within 12 seconds, it can do a lot of things, right? This is already good because I've wasted so much money on supplements I forgot to take, which is super relatable as well. And these are different. They actually taste good, so I never forget the first time I've ever stuck with greens for more than 2 weeks. Here, which is crazy. I loved Agent One's benefit, but hated the $94 bill every single month. This is a good one too. So basically what I'm gonna do, I like the second script the most because it's relatable, talks about the money on how expensive it is. So it's already objection handling on how expensive it is, because I don't think greens is that expensive. Yeah, so 48 a month, which is solid, right? They actually taste good, which is also an objection, so I never forget. And the first time I've stuck with greens for more than 2 weeks, which is also super relatable. And as you can see, the deep research is still going. It already has 270 sources, which is crazy. As you can see, first comprehensive 60 ingredient nutrition gummy in snack pack format. That is crazy because you can use that. It's a new mechanism. It's a thing that basically a fact that makes your claims even stronger. You can literally add it here. I've wasted so much money, or I've wasted thousands on supplements I forgot to take, but these are different. They have 60 high quality ingredients and they taste so good, so I never forget them. The first time I've stuck with greens for more than 2 weeks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it. And as you can see, it is always a benefit of using deep research versus just normal quick research, right? So it is still going, as you can see, which is amazing. It will churn out a lot of content right after it. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste it in here and I'm gonna say, I've wasted thousands on supplements I forgot to take. But these are different. What is it? They have 60 ingredient nutrition. So I'm gonna say it, they have 60 ingredients inside of them and they actually taste good. First time I've stuck with greens for more than 2 weeks. So that's a thing that you can use perfectly. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime already, because I'll create 2 ones for you. Starpop has a lot of, so they have like a couple of features, right? You can create up to 10 videos in one go, which is just insane. High quality, low quality. The low version is more just to see how the output is, which is based on the normal Sora 2. Sora 2 Pro is the high quality, and those ads are just insane, as you've seen in the beginning of the video. So as you can see, UGC style, simple, authentic talking video, no captions or overlays. Interior kitchen shot slightly above eye level, young attractive Latina woman with dark wavy hair, wearing fitted tank top and yoga pants. She leans against the white marble kitchen island, holding, as you can see, holding the product. Morning sunlight streams to the window, creating bright natural light. Modern kitchen with stainless appliances blurred in the background. Hook, woman smirks at the camera saying, girl, you're about to thank me for this. So what I'm just gonna say is like, I've wasted thousands on supplements I forgot to take. So then cut, tabs container placed, the caps, tabs, product packaging, placed in foreground, and I'm just gonna use this. So I hope that this last part might be included, but it probably won't because it's only 12 seconds, right? So yeah, so 16 seconds. So I'm gonna remove it, but you can add it later, right? So Gruns will do generate video. And so the nice thing is, in general, the higher quality, as you can see, is always between 13 to 15 minutes that it generates. The lower quality is always around 5 minutes, right? 4 or 5 minutes, which is also super good. So in the meantime, our researcher is going hard, has been going for 10 minutes already, and has created a lot of, or just went over a lot of sources. As you can see, literally a lot of extra stuff. And so what you can do is, once the whole research is done, is that you can put it in a document, go through it, read it, see if it's true based on your manual research as well. You can create a full document that you can then plug into a desired GPT, and hook creating GPT in any type of GPT. So that's the thing that we do. We have our identity hooking system GPT. We have a viral GPT that basically helps with script writing. We have an avatar GPT. We have a desired GPT. And so that's the thing that you should do right now, is like, if you want to win with advertising, you have to use AI. Not only AI images, AI videos, but also AI to do research on top of your manual research, because you can find new mechanisms with those things. You can find new desires with those things, new angles, if you're constantly stuck in your head. So after doing all the research, plugging it in inside of Starpop, we basically get this type of video.
I've wasted thousands on supplements I forgot to take, but these are different. They have 60 ingredients inside of them, and they actually taste good. First time I've stuck with greens for more than 2 weeks.
And then also this video.
I've wasted thousands on supplements I forgot to take, but these are different. They have 60 ingredients inside of them, and they actually taste good. First time I've stuck with greens for more than 2 weeks.
And as you can see, the second video was a bit the eyes and the setting it on the kitchen table, but that's because of the problem, because I put like tabs, product packaging, place in the foreground. But in general, you don't even realize how crazy this is, because it doesn't even look like AI. It's completely, it looks, in my opinion, completely looks real, right? So it's crazy. If you follow this full process from step by step, from taking all your product information, loading it up, using that prompt to come up with new desires, new hooks, and use this tool to create AI videos, you're 100% gonna crush it. We're using it for our clients and we're seeing insane results. And so that is exactly how you're able to create hyper-realistic AI videos that will scale your brand to 10, 20, 30K days, or even 100K days. And so if you want to use this tool, make sure to click the link down below, use the coupon code. And if you're an e-com brand and you want to scale to 100K months or beyond that, then click the link down below, book a call with me where we'll be able to help you out. And I'll see you in the next video.